kiss day. More like kiss my sleep schedule day. But hey, gotta look cute. This is the kiss my alarm clock makeup routine. Moisturize. Your skin needs more than that. You need a second cup of coffee. Concealer, foundation, details. Just blur those dark circles like you are blurring the memory of that awkward Valentine's Day from past. Now for the eyes, steal the show. Brown kajal smudged out like a smoky dream. Don't be afraid to get a little messy. Blend that brown eyeshadow like a boss. Then add touch of glitter with your finger for extra sparkle. We are aiming for effortless glam, remember? Blush and highlighter. Oh honey, they are our secret weapons. Blush for natural flush and highlighter to make those cheekbones pop. Now go out there and conquer your kiss day. Remember, confidence is the best accessory. And remember to follow and share the video with your friends and save it for later. Happy Kiss Day! Bye!